We have new ChatGPT 5.6 models available in 3 distinct variants called Sol, Terra, and Luna, each offering 5 different levels of reasoning effort. Sol serves as the premium flagship model, Terra acts as the balanced mid-tier option, and Luna is the lightweight, highly optimized version. This performance chart is provided by Artificial Analysis. If you find this comparison useful, please leave a like to support the channel. Charting the Artificial Analysis Intelligence Index shows the trade-off between intelligence and cost per intelligence index task. Across reasoning efforts, each GPT 5.6 model performs better than the previous GPT 5.5 version when looking at the overall balance of quality and price. GPT 5.6 Sol and Luna are ahead of Terra at every point on the intelligence versus cost per task chart. This means that for any Terra effort level, there is a Luna or Sol effort level that is more intelligent at no extra cost, or as intelligent at lower cost. GPT 5.6 Luna stands out as a particularly cost-efficient model. It is important to remember that this chart only plots intelligence against cost, while hiding the critical trade-off of latency. When a model increases its reasoning effort, it generates an extended internal monologue, which means that Luna at max reasoning takes longer to generate answers than Sol at a low setting. Luna is a great economic choice for background tasks, but Sol remains faster for real-time needs, where speed is the primary bottleneck. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more performance breakdowns.